Before you think of using AI in your business, most especially online business, you will have to test and research the system that you want to use. Then after researching and testing the system, you will need to get familiar with it before you use it, so as to know how the system operates in case of any future problem, so that you'll be able to tackle it. This is an overview of ideas for making money using AI. Write content with AI, generate AI images, create AI chatbots and virtual assistants, offer AI websites creation, AI translation services, edit videos with AI, use AI for affiliate marketing. On our list, the first way you can use AI to make money, you can use AI to produce your materials that will help you to streamline your content creation process. It will help you to meet large demands for your website or your blog. Although it's not recommended to use AI for your entire blog post, but even if, you can go through the AI generated content to ensure that it is very accurate. Another way you can make money with your AI, you can use your AI tools to create images from Canva. The reason why Canva is recommended is because it has these friendly design tools with free AI image generator. Once you have successfully created your AI generated pictures, you can go ahead to Adobe Stock or on Splash and upload them there. When somebody comes across your generated pictures on Adobe Stock or on Splash, and the person wants to make use of a particular one, and the person will need to make purchase of that copy, allowing you to earn money. AI has made it very easy to create and sell images, even if you are not a photographer. The next way you can use AI to make money is customer service is the key part of any business, right? You can start creating and selling AI chatbots. You can build AI chatbots that offer 24/7 support. Chatbots that can answer questions instantly and can also provide customers with products based on their preferences. For example, you can choose to develop an AI virtual assistant for a travel agency to help handle bookings and to provide customers with other required services. The next way you can earn money with AI, this one is mostly for people with development skills, people that can use AI to build websites, with designing unique layouts, optimizing sites for search engines, and for generating content and more. If you want to build an attractive and functional AI website, Seed Prod AI Site Builder is recommended because it provides a fast AI-powered site generator. Another way to make money with your AI is you can use AI to provide translation services to help businesses so as to enable them to communicate with different markets. Now, some business find it very difficult to communicate with large markets today because of language barrier. So you can use AI tools to provide translation services to help businesses. The next way you can make money with AI, there are many apps or platforms today that can edit videos with AI. Platforms like Alimoto or Poetry AI. When you upload your videos on any of those platforms, all you have to do is just to provide a prompt on how you want your videos. Then AI will help you to trim the video and add all the necessary things that will improve the quality of your video. AI can help you create polished videos for your blog or your YouTube channel. You can turn these AI editing services into a profitable hustle. That's, you can be helping people to edit their videos or images and you get paid for it. The last one on my list of how you can make money with your AI. We all know that affiliate marketing is a very popular way to make money online by promoting other companies' products. Now, when someone clicks on your affiliate link and make purchase, you earn a commission. You can use your AI-powered tools to maximize your affiliate profits. So what to do is to use a combination of your AI-powered tools to maximize your affiliate profits. For example, AI content generation software can help you write product reviews or blog posts 2 times faster. So in this video, I've been able to bring 7 easy ideas on how to make money using AI. And I believe that you have digested them. If you find this video very interesting, please do well to give it a thumb up. If this is the first time you are coming across my video or you are coming across my channel, you have not subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of my videos. And please do not forget to turn on the notification bell after you have subscribed, so that you get notified whenever a new video is being posted in the channel. On this channel, we talk about anything related to life, health, personal development, YouTube development, business ideas, and lots more. For those who constantly watch my videos anytime you come across them, I really appreciate you. I love you guys. Always remember to catch up on our latest videos in the channel. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.